Today we're covering the best wood cutting boards, and this one from Lilly Teak might just be the one. All natural teak, sustainably sourced, built to last. Is it worth it? Let's find out. Here's why teak dominates the best wood cutting boards conversation. First, it's naturally oil rich, which means it resists moisture and bacteria without any chemical treatments. No toxic coatings, no synthetic finishes. Just safe, non toxic wood straight from sustainable forests. Second, that dense grain structure is incredibly knife friendly. Unlike plastic or glass that destroy your blade, teak has just the right give to protect your edges. And third, it's built for decades, not months. The golden brown color actually deepens with age into a rich patina, and minor scratches just blend right in. I chopped vegetables, sliced chicken, and used it as a serving board. Rock solid, no slipping, and easy on the knife blade. The 16.5 inches by 12 inches surface gives you serious room to work. As a serving board, it looked stunning. Total table centerpiece. Hand wash, dry immediately, and hit it with food-grade mineral oil once a month. 5 minutes of care for a board that lasts a lifetime? Pros: non-toxic, naturally bacteria-resistant, knife-friendly, doubles as a serving board, gets better with age. Cons: pricier than plastic and hand wash only. If you're shopping for the best wood cutting boards, this Lilly Teak board is a 4.8 out of 5 from me. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Prep board or serving board? See you next time. Happy cooking